Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from M3CS110.1A. Will present to you about our group project in CSC121, which is titled as Wibu Service Phone. First of all, let me introduce you to my group members, starting with me, Muhammad Nuraiman bin Omar.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul Aiman.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Yusri.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Irfan Hafiz bin Adnan.
So, let's start with introduction to the students group and problem. In this semester, we are learning this subject that introduces the concept of a computer system, which is essential for defining problem-solving steps and linking problems to algorithm, design, and development. We as a students learn how to use appropriate programming control structures such as sequential, selection, repetition, and modules, then apply them in algorithm design. In the end, at the course, we as a student should be able to organize efficient algorithm solutions for problems that we encounter and design computer programs to solve them. So, for this assignment in this subject, we are required to complete a group project consisting of 4 members based on the 6 chapters that are covered during the semester. So, the goal is to demonstrate our understanding of the subject and our ability to solve problems related to algorithm design and development. Finally, we will propose and present our accounts to the lecture. In short, Wibu Service Phone is a booking system that are directed to a phone service shop. This system is built to simplify the process for the community in repairing their phones, which means this system allows them to book at any time with no specific condition. Additionally, this system also showing price to customer so they can make decisions before buying, unlike when to face situation, which is usually more pressuring the customer to make decision in a hurry. So, why do we want to build this system? What are the objectives? The objective are to help individuals in booking for their slot in services so that they can avoid long queues. This can help to fit the service into their schedule rather than adjusting their day-around availability. Hence, a book slot also allows technicians to focus on their needs without being rushed, such as if the product they want to use is available or not, or maybe their equipment, and this will leading the technicians to a better service quality. We also want to create a system that greatly assists users. We want to build a system that is easy to use and has an efficient system for users. Other than that, we also want our user to get a good and positive experience when using the system. We hope our system will help other people and resolve their problems.
As for the problem solving or analysis for the inputs, the system will start immediately and ask the user to choose the phone type. After that, user need to enter the parts that wants to repair. After it is done, system will ask if the user want to add more order or continue. User also be asked if the user wants to add on. User need to enter number code for the add-on. User need to enter whether to add on more or continue. Lastly, user need to choose either payment using cash or online. As for the process, total will be total plus price. Discount will be total times 0.10. Total price equals total minus discount and total tax equals total price times 0.06. As for the output of our program, either display, please choose your phone type, either Android or iOS. Either display, please choose which parts you want to repair. Next, either display parts, for the parts and the price for the price. And this is for the first one, this is the price for the Android, and the second one is the price for the iOS, which is batteries, and CD, camera, button, and speaker. Either display, do you want to add or do you want to add on order? If the user entered Y, it will display add-on and the price, which is screen protector, charger, earphone, and casing. If the user entered N, which is no, it won't display this. After the user finish with the add-on, it will display do you want to add on more. If the user entered Y, it will repeat this add-on process. If the user entered no, it will display payment method, which is 1 for cash and 2 for online. As for if the user entered cash, which is 1, it will display this, but if the user entered 2, which is online, they will get a discount. Next, let's say if the user entered 2, it will display receipts. Your price is total discount, which is discount because the user entered 2, total price, which is total price, total tax, which is total tax, and total you need to pay is RM, total price minus total tax. And lastly, it will display thank you.
Okay, this is our pseudocode. When we start here, we use repetition. While answer equal to Y, it will display please your font type, whether it's Android and iOS, and then it will read the font type. If the font type equal to Android, it will display please choose which part you want to repair. So it will display all the part that user can choose, and then it will read the part. Here we can see if the part equal to battery, then the price will be 60, and if else the part equal to screen, the price equal to 40, and so on. This and if here, and then if else font type equal to iOS, it will display the same as Android, and after that the total is the total equal total plus price, and it will display do you want to add order. If yes, it will repeat all this process again, and if no, it will end while. Then we call function here, add-on function, payment method, discount, and receipt. This is function definition for add-on function. While answer equal to Y, it will display the add-on and the code, and it will read the add-on code. If the add-on equal to 1, the price will be 5. If else, if add-on equal to 2, the price will be 40, and so on. After that, the total is total equal to total plus price, and then it will display do you want to add on, yes or no. If yes, it will repeat the add-on process. If no, it will end while. Then the function definition for payment method, it will display for payment method whether you want cash or online, and it will read the payment. For get discount function call, function definition, the discount equal to 0, and if the payment equals to 2, the discount equal to total times 0.10, and total price equal to total minus discount, total tax equal total price times 0.06. And get lastly for function definition for receipt, it will display a receipt, and it will display your price, your discount, your total price, total tax, and total you need to pay. And Lastly, it will display thank you. That's it.
This is our flowchart for our program. It will first start and it will go down, declare answer equals to y, total equals to 0. And it will go down while answer equals to y, it will display please choose your phone type, Android or iOS. And the program will read the phone type over here. If the phone type is Android, it will go to the display part over here. Please choose which part you want to repair. And then it will display the menu over here. Part, battery, screen, camera, button, speaker. And the price 60, 40, 100, 30, 100, and 150. And the program will read the part depending on the user, what is he entering. And if part equals to battery, price is 60. And if part equals to screen, price is 40. And it will go the same for camera, button, and speaker. And it will go down to the total equals to total price. And then if the user enter iOS, it will go to the iOS part over here, and the display is same as the Android part, but the difference is the price. Okay, and then it will repart and goes down the same process and goes to the total plus total price, and then it will display do you want to add order, and it will read the answer over here. And if answer equals to y, it will repeat up, goes to the display part over here. Please choose your phone type, Android or iOS. And if no, the user enters no, it will go down to get add-on function, get payment method, get discount, and get receipt. And then it will end the main function over here. Okay, this is for the function that's called get add-on function, and it will go down to while answer at equals to y. We go down over here, the display part over here, the display, screen protector, charger, earphone, and casing, and the price is 5, 40, 30, and 10. And if we go to the read add-on and goes to the selection part, add-on equals to 1. And if yes, they go to the price 2, price 40, 3, 30, and 4, 10. And if no, they will display the wrong add-on and still goes to the total plus total price. It will be the sum for the total over here. Okay, and it will display here do you want to add on y or n, and it will read the answer at if the answer is yes, it will go straight up and goes to loop over here to the display. And then if the user enters no, it will end the program. Thank you. This is the function for the get payment method. Over here, it will display payment method. 1 is cash, 2 is online, and then it will read the payment that the user enters. And then it will return back to the main program. Okay, and secondly, this is get discount function. Discount is declared to 0 if payment equals to 2, and yes, it will discount equals to total times 0.10, and that is for the discount, and it will sum up to the discount. And then second is total price equals to total minus discount, and then total tax equals to total price times 0.06, and will sum up to the total tax. And this is for the get receipt. This is where the display the receipt, display your price is total, display discount, display total price, display total tax, display total you need to pay is RM, and then total price minus total tax, and it will lastly display thank you, and it will return to the main program.
As for the discussion, we use control structure statement if else to let user to choose one of the operating devices to repair and what type of parts to repair. We also use repetition control structure if the user wants to repair a phone or device part more than one by repeating the process in the while loop. Our service will calculate the total amount of money to pay, including tax and discount in the receipt. For the conclusion, In conclusion, our system helps someone to repair their phone in a more efficient time through booking system. We surely faced some difficulties on this project, but after had many discussions with the cooperation of everyone, we'll be able to overcome all the issues. I hope user can use our system freely without any problem.